Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So for this one, I will put about yc equals to x to the power of n. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have nx to the power of n minus number 1. We know that this is about the power rule of the derivative. So we do similar for second and third derivative of yc. Now we have this equation. So I will put this one go here. This one go here. And this one go here. And now we have like this. So s to the power of n minus number 3 multiplied by s to the power of 3, we have s to the power of n. The next one, n multiplied by n minus 1, s to the power of n. And the next one, we have s multiplied by n with s to the power of n equals to number 0. Now we have s to the power of n, s to the power of n, so we can do about factorization. Now we need to expand this one, and we have like this. So we just need to find the solution of this one. So we can do about factorization by n. Now we have three solutions. We have n equals to number 0, n equals to number 2, n equals to number 2. So why do we have this one? Because we have the power 2. That means we will have about n minus number 2, n minus number 2. So that's why we have two solutions of n equals to number 2. And now we have y equal to yc. We have s to the power of 0 in here. So that is about number 1. And we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1. So in this one we can write c number 1 plus c number 2, s to the power of number 2. So we just know that we have another solution that repeat again number 2. So this one we put about c number 2 as c number 3, s square f and s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.